Tuesday, 17th January, early evening, late afternoon. Had a bit of a day. Got out to the pens, and there's our little Jackson in a poorly way. He was injured, and what looked like a coyote attack, possibly. So we've been all day at the vet, and prognosis is good. What they found out, he most likely was hit by something, vehicle or skidoo. So, but prognosis is good for him. He just needs a lot of rest and relaxation. He's got no broken bones or anything. So this is all as good an outcome as you could want. So yeah. So we're just back now. He's overnight at the vet's, and get him back tomorrow and start him on his healing journey, and he can get back to being the really good guardian dog that he's been. So it's great.
Henry's here, and he's probably wondering where Jackson is, aren't you? Jackson's coming back tomorrow, Henry. Yes, he is. He's coming back tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. I smell like the vet. Now, he was pretty upset this morning when Jackson was injured. And we don't really know what happened. So we're going to have a look around tomorrow in the light. See if we can see extra skidoo tracks.